Hello and welcome, not only to Snowflake's May Snow Report, but to our new home in Menlo Park. Come on, I have a lot to cover, and I'm getting hungry thinking about some of these product updates. Follow me, come on. First on the menu this month, Snowflake Horizon Catalog has added new GA features, including automatic sensitive data classification, data and ML lineage, and synthetic data generation. Adding to the roster of built-in data governance, compliance, and privacy capabilities already available, helping you to unlock the value of sensitive data, apps, and models. You want to know about data collaboration? We've got you covered. Come on! Egress Cost Optimizer. Share data across regions internally and externally while reducing egress fees by up to 70%. Flexible replication controls deliver data to your consumers when they need it with scheduled and trigger-based data refreshes. In rounding out the menu of product announcements, you can now manage disaster recovery more easily in Snowsight. Snowflake's Disaster Recovery DR capabilities allow you to protect your data and ensure business continuity by replicating data and objects between accounts in different regions. Now it's time to walk off that heavy load of product announcements. It's time to get into some of the highlights, and Snowflake Summit is just weeks away. It's your last chance to register for Snowflake Summit 2025 and build your custom agenda. Here is an exclusive discount code to thank you for watching. The code is SNOWREPORT300 in all caps for a $300 off a full Summit conference pass. All right, the time has come to settle in for some frosty content beyond the hype, putting enterprise AI to work with Sridhar Ramaswamy. Tune into the latest episode of the Data Cloud podcast as host Dana Gartner sits down with our CEO, Sridhar Ramaswamy, for a compelling conversation on how Snowflake is transforming the future of enterprise data. It's now time to fuel up on the radical ROI of GenAI report. It provides detailed insights into successful GenAI strategies, including data management, industry-specific applications, and more. And have you heard the news? The AI Data Cloud is going to make it snow once again in the south of France at Cannes Lion. Join Snowflake at Cannes Lion from June 16th through the 19th to discover how a unified data foundation can harness AI and application to transform your advertising strategy. By now, you know the drill. It's about always putting our customers first, and May is no different. See how Power Digital builds unforgettable marketing campaigns based on real data insights, scaling marketing impact, and strengthening client ROI. And lastly, read about how Merkle, a Dentsu company, saves an estimated 20% in costs and sees a 64% faster data development cycle with Snowflake. And that concludes this month's Snow Report. I hope you like our tour. We'll see you at Snowflake Summit.